In 3, 2, 1, go. All four boxers are on the move.
Please, please, no.
Trying to get one swing.
Oh, fine, good.
Down it goes.
Wait, is that touching the ground though?
A mobile goal with a spring on it. Looks like the empty box unable to move, so we're going to tie for autonomous. And now we're going to go with driver control.
Immediately go forward.
3, 2, 1, go. And everybody.
Back up, good, good, good. Get that.
Get all
the three. Go over there, there's that ball ring. Nathan, turn your hand, take on. There's a ring there. Turn your hand, take on. Nathan, doink, okay, doink. Turn your hand, take on. Turn your hand, take on. Guys, guard. Turn your hand, take on. Turn your hand, take on. Go for the other corner. Nathan, there's one over there. Nathan, there's another.
No, we need to stay in that corner. That's our corner.
Hitting.
Trying to move him out of the way.
Nathan, oh.
Got both of those.
They might be
Get that blue ring.
Clear away from
Push it.
Another person want to try and add more.
Push it there. Trying to, bro.
Red's trying to work their way across. Looks like they've got one of their wheels is blocked up, so they're not able to move. And they stop moving efficiently. The other red line has a couple of
there's a ring over there. We can get it. Just get that ring. Get one more. Go for one more. They're not doing anything. Go for that one more. Good. Go back. Oh shoot. No, go back. No,
24 seconds.
There's 20 seconds. As soon as it ends, get that red and put it in negative. Get that red as soon as it ends. Get that. Get the red. Go to negative. No.
I'd rather score than negative.
No, why are you scoring the red?
Grab whatever they can to put on that mobile goal, doing a really good job of filling it up. And of qualification match.